Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Genesis G90 key fob. Open the fob at the seam using a small flat tool and gently pry it apart. Remove the CR2032 battery and note which side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 with the same orientation, press the halves back together until they click, and test the remote functions to ensure proper operation. Start by finding the notch on your Genesis G90 key fob and sliding a flat tool into the seam to split the halves. Work slowly around the edge until the case separates without forcing it. Carefully lift the battery from its holder, keeping track of which side faces up so you can install the new CR2032 the same way. Insert the replacement CR2032 battery with the same positive or negative side orientation noted earlier. Align the case halves and press them together evenly until you feel them snap close to ensure a strong connection. Stand near your vehicle and test all remote functions including lock, unlock, and trunk release.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.